Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Arabic Language Academy. In my first lesson, I would like to start with a short presentation about importance of learning Arabic language. Why is Arabic an important language? First of all, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Almighty, has revealed His final message, the Holy Qur'an, in Arabic language. Most major Islamic works are written in Arabic. Many Muslim scholars, ulama, have written volumes of books in Arabic as a commentary of the Holy Qur'an, and many others have written in other fields such as usul al-hadith, usul al-fiqh, tawheed, Islamic jurisprudence, science of hadith, etc. Arabic language unifies the Muslim world. We gather in the same place for the Hajj or pilgrimage. We read the same holy book. We use the same language in our daily life, even though we speak different languages, such as salaamu alaikum means peace be upon you, and wa alaikum salam, peace be upon you too. Jazakallahu khairan, may Allah reward you. Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah. Shukran, thanks. Correct recitation of the Holy Quran depends on knowledge of Arabic. There is also Islamic science called Tajweed. It teaches us how to read letters and pronounce them correctly. Some letters are pronounced by using tongue, some others by throat and nasal. Knowledge of Arabic helps one to concentrate in prayers. If we understand what we read in our prayer, we can concentrate better in our prayer, rather than thinking about other matters in our life. Arabic language is one of the oldest living languages in the world. Arabic was used by Arabs even before Islam for thousands of years. Arabic language is the fifth most spoken language in the world and one of the 6 official languages that are recognized by United Nations since 1974. There is much more we could tell about Arabic language, but I hope this much will be sufficient to encourage us to start to learn Arabic. And I hope we will meet again in our other lessons. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.